Welcome to the MathLInks Essentials video series. In this session, we will look at some uses for the program. MathLInks Essentials is a flexible program that fits multiple needs for you and your students. 5 modules address the major work of the mathematics taught in the middle grades. Each module has 3 consumable packets, any of which can be purchased and put together flexibly to create the program you desire. The program addresses important skills and concepts in meaningful and engaging ways to help your students succeed. If you have a standalone intervention course for struggling learners, you know that creating materials from scratch takes a huge amount of time. Most struggling learners get worksheets or computer-based drill and kill. Even if you get a lot of data from some of these programs, research tells us that these learners need skills practice and concept development. MathLInks Essentials provides plenty of both. In addition, students have opportunities to collaborate on motivating problems, great technology activities, and games. We will help you structure your course, including front-loading and pacing tips to help students be more confident and successful in their core course. MathLInks Essentials is flexibly designed to help students get ready for the coming year, whether it's catching up or previewing upcoming material. You can choose the most critical middle grades topics to help your students reach their summer goals. The lessons and activities in MathLInks Essentials are accessible to most learners. The consumable materials are inviting and uncluttered. We use clear, consistent, and precise language and examples. Teach the important content in ways your students can grasp. Many textbooks have dry, dull lessons and are weak at getting at conceptual understanding. And MathLInks Essentials could be a great replacement unit option. We aim to spice up your lessons and give your students what they deserve. And our technology activities are meaningful enhancements, not just tech for the sake of having tech. Those are some uses for MathLInks Essentials in a nutshell. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other MathLInks Essentials videos or visit our website. Thanks for watching.